the problem set 3 of the chapter Arithmetic Progression, Mathematics 1st Standard 10. The first question is multiple choice question. Question number first, choose the correct alternative answers for each of the following sub questions. Student, there are total 10 sub questions. Now I have taken only here 5. You have to solve remaining at home. Now the first question is the sequence -4, -6, -2, 2 dash dash dash. A is an AP, reason D is -16, B is an AP, reason D is 4, C is an AP, reason D is -4 and AP is not AP. Student, when we look here, first, now we have to study about this sequence. This is A, T1 is -10 and T2 is -6. Student, when we have to take its subtraction, I have to take this rough here, D is equals to T2 minus T1. T2 is -6 minus 10. Then this becomes -6 plus 10. In that it becomes how much? Plus 4. Means here is plus 4 is here. So that answer of this sub question is B. So I have to write B here is an AP, reason is D is equals to 4. Okay, then we take second sub question. The first 4 terms of an AP having the first term is -2. Student, look here. First term means that A is -2 and the common difference is also -2 here. Look carefully, if the first term is -2 and the common difference is also -2, you have to add in, we get the next terms here. So this one is, look here, -2, then means that T1 is -2, T2 is here, you have to D, look here, I have taken here T2 minus T1 is D. When we substitute this value, D is -2 is equals to T2, find करायचं आपल्याला, minus T1 is -2, means that it becomes +2. When we transpose here -2, this +2 again convert as -2 is equals to T2, means that -4 is the second term. When we observe carefully all these cases, C and D having -2. Now then T3, when we find here the difference between these two terms is here is only 2, means that the first term is -2, second is -4, third one is -6 and -8. Because here is directly difference is 4, means that this is not correct answer, so that the correct answer is C. So I have write here C, -2, -4, -6 and -8 are the next 4 terms here. Okay, then we take here next question number 3. What is the sum of the first 13 natural numbers? Student, all of you know that how to find out the sum of the natural number. The formula for it is that SN, sum of the natural number is equal to SN is equals to n in bracket n plus 1 upon 2. We use this formula to find out sum of any natural numbers here. Now here, when we observe carefully, n is 30 here. When we put this value is 30, means that sum of this 30 number is 30 in bracket 30 plus 1 upon 2, means that 30 divided by 2 becomes, I have direct write here 15 into how much? 31. Then 15 1s are 15, carry is 1, 15 3s are 45 plus 1 is 46. When we observe here is 46, 4, 6, 5 is here B. So that answer is B, 4, 6, 5. Student, this is very important example. Can you understand how to find out the sum of any natural number up to this anyone? So like this, sum of 1 to 10 number up to 20, 30, so on. Now then we take next is sub question number is 4. For an AP, if Tn is given here, Tn is 4 here, n is 7, D is -4, we have to find out A. You have to take calculation here. Tn is equals to formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is 4, substitute here. A find out here, plus n is 7 minus 1 into D is -4. Student, this 4 as it is A, this is 6. 6 into -4 is -24. Transpose here 4 plus 24 is equals to A, mean that 28 is equals to A. 28 is D here, so that answer is D, 28. Then we see directly 9th number question, remaining you have to solve at home. Then this the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. Now AP is given here 5, 15, 10, 5, dash 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 is out of this element. Student, when we observe carefully, the answer of this one is, look carefully, A is 15 here, first term. The difference between any two consecutive term is here minus 5, T2 minus T1, mean that minus 5, mean that D is minus 5. N is, you have to find out 10 terms, mean that N is equal to 10, you have to find S. The formula is Sn is equals to N upon 2 in bracket twice A plus N minus 1 into D. When we substitute here S10 is equals to 10 upon 2 in bracket 2 into E is 15 plus N is 10 minus 1 into D is minus 5. Student, when we take its subtraction and division here, 2 5s are 15 2s are 30. Look here, 9 into minus 5 is minus 45. Then 5 into this one is minus 15. Minus 15 5s are minus 75. Answer is A, minus 75. So simple MCQs. You have to solve the meaning at one. I will take the next question. Can you understand this? Okay. Next question. Question second. Find the fourth term from the end of the AP. Where is the AP is given? Minus 11, minus 8, minus 5 up to 49. Now here is in solution. T1 is minus 11, T2 is minus 8, T3 is minus 5, Tn is equals to how much? 49. First we have to find out the total terms. How many total terms are there? Now for this, therefore A is equals to minus 11, D is equals to T2 minus T1 is equals to minus 8 minus 11, mean that minus 8 plus 11 is equals to how much? 3. Therefore we know that the formula Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute this value, Tn is 49, A minus 11 plus N you have to find out here minus 1 into D is how much? 3. This minus 11 transpose here, 49 plus 11 is equals to N minus 1 into how much? 3. This one becomes 60. Then 3 goes to denominator is equals to N minus 1. Then the simplification is 20 into N minus 1. Transpose here, 20 plus 1 is equals to N. Therefore N is equals to how much? 21. Mean that there are how much terms here? 21 terms. Therefore there are 21 terms in an AP. Now we have to find out the fourth term from the end. Fourth term mean that there are 21 term here. The fourth term means that you have to take as 21, 20, 18 and 19. So that the first we have to find out here the fourth term from the end means there is 21 minus 3, because 21 is take as one here, so is equals to 18 terms. Therefore we have to find out the 18 terms here. So Tn is equals to, again use here A plus N minus 1 into D, mean that T18 is equals to A is how much? Minus 11 plus N is 18 minus 1 and D is how much? 3. Then T18 is equals to minus 11 plus 17 into 3 minus 11 plus 51. When we 73 is 51. When we subtract it, it becomes how much? 40. Therefore, the answer in full sentence, the fourth term from the end of the fourth is 40. Okay, we take the next question. Question third, in an AP, the 10th term is 46. Look here, 10th term is 46. The sum of the 5th and 7th term is 52. Find the AP. Now, simple one is solution. Now here is 10th term is an AP. We know that Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. 10th term means that T10 is equals to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. T10 is given 46 is equals to A plus 9D. That is I will write here A plus 9D is equals to 46. Suppose that is equation number first. Now the second condition is that the sum of the 5th and 7th term is 52. Therefore, sum of the 5th means that T5 plus T7 is equals to how much? 52. T5, by using this, I have to write here T5 is A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Taking this big bracket here. Plus this T7 is also A plus 7 minus 1 into D is equals to how much? 52. Then this is A plus this is 4D plus this is A plus 6D is equals to 52. A plus A is twice A plus 4 plus 6 is 10D is equals to 52. Now student, dividing both sides by 2, we get the equation becomes A plus 5D is equals to how much? 26. Equation is second. Now then, subtract equation first and second. We get that subtracting equation second from equation first. Now the first one is A plus 9D is equals to 46. Second one is A plus 5D is equals to 26. When we subtract, the signs of second equations were changes. Then this A get cancelled. This becomes 4D is equals to here is 20. Therefore D is equals to 20 upon 4 is equals to how much? 5. Then substitute this value in any equation. Substitute D is equals to 5 in equation first. The equation first become A plus 9D is equals to 46. A plus 9 into 5 is equals to 46. Means that A plus 45 is equals to 46. Means that A is equals to 46 minus 45. A is equals to 1. Means that therefore the first term T1 is equals to A is equals to 1. T2 is equals to T1 plus D. Means that 1 plus D is 5 is equals to 6. T3 is equals to T2 plus D. T2 is 6 plus 5 is equals to 11 and so on. Therefore, the answer in full sentence here is find the AP. Therefore, the given AP is the first term is 1, second term is 6, third term is 11 and so on. Can you understand this? We take the next question. The next question is question number 4. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP whose 4th term and the 9th term is given. Means that in this solution is given is that here is find out here sum of the 10 terms. Then for Sn. Then here is, we know Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Use this formula here. Therefore, T4 is equals to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Means that, therefore, T4 is minus 15 is equals to a plus 3d. That is, I have write here, that is a plus 3d is equals to minus 15. This is equation number first. Then T9 is equals to a plus 9 minus 1 into d. T9 is minus 30 is equals to a plus 8d. That is, we write here a plus 8d is equals to minus 30. This is equation number second. When we adding these two, when we subtracting these, a get cancel. So I have to subtract this first from this second. So subtracting equation first from equation second. So equation second is a plus 8d is equals to minus 30. Equation second. Then a plus 3d is equals to minus 15. Equation first. When we subtract here, then signs of the second equations were changes. Then this a get cancelled. Plus 8 minus 3 becomes 5d is equals to, subtraction is minus 15. Therefore, d is equals to minus 15 upon 5. Therefore, d is equals to minus 3. Then substitute. D is equals to minus 3 in equation first. I have to take here. The equation first is, here is a plus 3d minus 15. Therefore, a plus 3d is equals to minus 15. Then a plus 3 into minus 3 is equals to minus 15. Therefore, a minus 3 3s are 9 is equals to minus 15. Then 9 transpose here, a is equals to minus 15 plus 9. Therefore, a is equals to minus 6. Therefore, here is a is equals to minus 6. D is equals to also minus 3. Now you have to find out the sum of the 10 terms, mean that n is equals to 10. Yes, 10 is equals to question mark. Therefore, the formula is Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So S10 is equals to 10 upon 2 in bracket 2 into minus 6 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 3. 2 5s are, in that 5 in bracket, this is minus 12 plus here is 9 into minus 3. Then it becomes 5 in bracket minus 12 minus 27. This addition is minus 39. Then this value S10 is equals to plus minus minus 9. 5 9s are 45, carries 4. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 becomes 19. Therefore, the answer in full sentence. You have to find out the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP. Therefore, the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP is minus 195. Okay, we take the next question. Next question, question number 5 is 975 dash and 24 21 18 dash are the two given APs. This is first and this is second AP. If nth term of both the progressions are equal, nth terms are equal, look here, Then find the value of n and the nth term. Now so simple again. Here is two APs are given. So the solution is the first AP is 9, 7, 5 dash dash dash. Therefore here is A is 9 and D is here 7 minus 9 means that minus 2. Now we know the formula. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore Tn is equals to A is 9 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 2. We have to multiply it. Therefore Tn is equals to 9 minus twice n minus minus plus. Therefore Tn is equals to 9 plus 2 is 11 minus 2. Now suppose that this is equation number first. Now student, then the second AP is. The second AP is 24, 21, 18 dash dash. Now then A is equals to 24. D is T2 minus T1. Mean that 21 minus 24 it becomes minus 3. Then we have to use this formula. Therefore Tn is equals to A is 24 plus n is n minus 1 into how much? Minus 3. When we multiply this minus 3 we get that Tn is equals to 24 minus 3n plus 3 plus 3. Then the addition of these two is Tn is equals to 27 minus 3n. This is equation number 2. From the given condition both the progressions are equal. Now therefore from given condition these two are equal, means that from first and second we write here 11 minus 2n is equals to 27 minus 3n, means from equation first and second also. Now transpose this 3n and 11 to this side, then minus 2n plus 3n is equals to 27 minus 11. Then this subtraction is n. The subtraction is how much? 16. Means that the value of n is how much? 16. We have to find out nth term. Now then n is equals to 16. We have to find out Tn. Therefore the formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute this value. Tn is equals to A is also don't know here plus n is n minus 1 into n is how much? 16 here minus 1 into D. Then Tn is equals to A plus 15D. This is the nth term. This is the value of n. The answer is, then find the value of n and nth term. Therefore the answer in full sentence is the value of n is 16 and the nth term of an AP is Tn is equals to A plus 15B. Can you understand this? Okay, thank you very much.